Futurama is being revived at Hulu. I did hear about this. Original creators Matt Groening and David X. Cohn will return alongside voice stars Billy West and Katie Sagal, among others. Apparently, like, okay, so how does this work? Will Hulu will hire the team to make more Futurama, but were they shopping it around, or did Hulu come to them and say, we need Futurama?
I think it was Hulu that wanted them to make more episodes.
A 20-episode run. That's a lot of work.
Mm-hmm.
The third...
That's like, what, 2 seasons? Around there?
The third,
1 season?
Oh, actually, no, because I think... well, I don't know how many episodes they're doing now, but I think when it was originally airing, it would have been more episodes per season, right?
Oh, right.
Yeah. On TV, I'm talking about.
Was it daily?
No, not daily.
No.
It would be weekly. It would be
right?
weekly,
Yeah.
but they would run it all the time, right? It's not like these modern shows where it's like an 8-episode epic.
I remember Simpsons had like 20, 30 a season.
That's right. See, something like that, right? So anyway, point being is it's being revived for a 20-episode run, the third platform for the animated comedy. So where was it before? Fox was where it started, but then it went to Comedy Central, and now it's going to Hulu. Oh, man, it's tough for me because it's like so many platforms I got to have. I got to have so many subscriptions to enjoy all the things. Wow, look at that clip from 1999. Yeah, I watched it. I probably watched like first season. Yeah, maybe like that, 99.
Yeah.
Because it was, what? There's going to be another show from The Simpsons guy? What? I mean, you had to pay attention to. Plus, it was in the future, which, like, I've always been into the future. Bender? That's that guy's name, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's good. It's good. It's good memories for me, man.
I just remember Bender, the character. He was in an episode where he's a wrestler, and his name was Gender Bender. And he was wearing like a tutu or something.
Whoa.
Yeah. Very interesting times there.
Yeah, no doubt. Futurama becomes the latest adult animated title to be revived, joining the upcoming Beavis and Butthead update.
Oh, wow.
Daria spinoff, Jody, and the Ren and Stimpy show at Comedy Central.
Huh.
Clone High at HBO Max, and King of the Hill. Oh, my goodness. They're bringing it all back, man. Everything we grew up with on TV is coming back. What does that tell you? I think it tells you nostalgia is big right now.
Right.
I think a lot of people our age group are trying to relive the glory days, Will. What their favorite animated series when simpler times, well.